$10 remote control boat versus $10 remote control car. Let's go. Ooh, car wins. $30 boat. Go. Oh no, if the car loses, it's going to get dunked. Ah! $20 car. Go. No chance, mate. A $60 boat. Go. Oh, it's really tight. Technically, boat touched the end. Surely it's not going to beat the $100 boat. Go. No! My precious. That is a sorry sight. $60 car. Go. Oh no. I think the $200 car is going to put an end to this. Go. Not even close. Time for the $1,000 boat. This seems fair. Go. It was not funny. I didn't want to get to this point because $1,000 car, which can go at up to 100 miles per hour. We're not taking any chances this time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God. Subscribe so I can buy a